Keep your vehicle in top shape with this handy OBD2 extension cable. It makes diagnostics a breeze. Why you should choose MUCAR OBD2 OBD2 extension cable. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 2026 MUCAR 16-pin OBD2 extension cable, 2 feet, widely applicable. This MUCAR OBD2 extension cable adopts the internationally standardized 16-pin interface, seamlessly connect to all OBD2 interface gasoline. 2 feet, 60 centimeter, 23.6 inch 16-pin male to female diagnostic extender cable cord offers more space when repairing vehicle. OBD 16-pin interface is compatible with all OBD2 scanner, diagnostic tool, some 16-pin socket device. Plug and play, work on A2 OBD2 port vehicles. This OBD2 extension cable can work with all OBD2 interface vehicles. One end is connected to vehicle's OBD2 port, DLC, the other end can be connected to a device that is compatible with the OBD2 port. An added layer of security and comfort. With this cord, you can move your car lock device and hide it somewhere, making it difficult for thieves to find your car lock device or remo.ve it. For an added layer of security, you can also dismount the OBD port and hide it in the steering column, then place a dumb.my OBD port in its place. This will make it difficult for a thief to realize and/or find the location of your car lock device. Larger maintenance space. If you feel so narrow when repair vehicle, this OBD2 diagnostic extender cord adapter is your best choice. This OBD2 extension cable gives you extra repair range, and you don't have to curl up on the steering wheel and bend over to repair the car. This 2 feet, 60 centimeter, 23.6 inch OBD extension cable free.es you from the narrow car seat and is your best car repair companion. Durable build, waterproof, scratch resistant, and temperature tolerant. The outer layer is made of a highly flexible material with a shielding layer, offering excellent flexibility and long-term durability. Resists water, scratches, heat, and cold. Whether you're working near a hot engine bay or in freezing winter conditions, this cable won't easily crack. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.